Hey everyone, with the release of not one, not two, but four new 14-inch Chromebooks, all equipped with Intel's most recent Alder Lake-N CPUs, HP just made a big statement in the Chromebook industry. These gadgets are made to serve a variety of users, including casual users, students, and those looking for a more upscale computing experience. The HP Chromebook Plus X360 14-inch, a powerful Chromebook with an Intel Core i3 N305 processor, 8 GB of LPDDR5 memory, and 128 or 256 GB of UFS storage, is at the top of the range. This 14-inch IPS touchscreen display is perfect for both work and play, with a sharp Full HD resolution and multi-touch capability. Additionally, its 1080p webcam ensures clear and smooth video calls, which is particularly useful for online learning or remote work setups. Moving down the lineup, the HP Chromebook X360 14-inch comes in two configurations, offering a balance between performance and affordability. Both models feature a 14-inch Full HD touchscreen display and a 720p webcam. Users have the choice between Intel N100 or N200 processors, along with options for 4 or 8 GB of memory and 64 or 128 GB of storage, allowing them to tailor the device to their specific needs. Finally, the HP Chromebook 14-inch rounds out the lineup, offering similar features to the X360 version, but in a non-convertible form factor. It shares the same display, webcam, and battery life characteristics, but differs in processor options, providing users with the Intel N100 or N200 choices, without the 360-degree hinge flexibility. HP's new lineup of 14-inch Chromebooks offers a range of price points to suit different budgets and needs. The base model, the HP Chromebook X360 14-inch, starts at a wallet-friendly $300, making it an excellent choice for students or casual users looking for an affordable yet capable device. It provides solid performance without breaking the bank, ideal for everyday tasks and productivity. Upgrading to the more potent HP Chromebook Plus X360 14-inch will cost you more money. It starts at $599. With a strong processor and other features, this model provides a noticeable performance bump, making it an appealing choice for users who need more computational power and adaptability from their gadget. This premium Chromebook's increased features and capabilities are reflected in its higher price. There's something for everyone in the Chromebook market, thanks to HP's new range of 14-inch Chromebooks, which offers users a wide range of options from high-performance alternatives to more affordable configurations. If you have any questions, I will ask them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.